Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just got your Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 router and ready to get online? In this video, I'll show you how to set up your router in 6 simple steps so you can enjoy fast, reliable Wi-Fi and optimized gaming performance. Let's get started. Step 1. Unbox and connect the router. Remove the Nighthawk XR1000 from the box and connect the power adapter. Use the included Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's internet port. Step 2. Power on the router. Turn on the router and wait for the LED indicators to stabilize. This may take a few minutes during the initial startup. Step 3. Connect your device. On your phone, tablet, or computer, connect to the default Wi-Fi network listed on the router label. You can also connect using an Ethernet cable. Step 4. Open the setup wizard. Launch a web browser and enter routerlogin.net or the router's default IP address. The Nighthawk setup wizard will automatically start. Step 5. Configure your Wi-Fi settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Wi-Fi network name and password. Save the settings and allow the router to apply the changes. Step 6. Test your connection. Reconnect your devices using the new Wi-Fi credentials and verify that your internet connection is working properly. Your Nighthawk XR1000 setup is now complete. That's it. Your Nighthawk XR1000 Wi-Fi 6 router is successfully configured and ready to deliver fast wireless performance. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more router and networking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.